Hola, friends, amigos, amigas, however you describe yourself. It's great to see you. We are in today looking at writing linear equations in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where I am going to give you 2 points on the line. So let's go through here our 3-step process for how to find the y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form of an equation that would go through 2 specific points. We're going to do this algebraically versus getting a graph paper out, sketching it, and trying to find the um, equation of the line using, graphing methods. We'll take a look at the last 3 examples here after we go through the algebraic process, just reviewing how to find an equation in slope-intercept form if you are given a graph, just to review that from the Daily 9 notes as well. So kind of our trifecta trinity process here is if we're given 2 points on a line, we can find the slope of that line by using the slope formula, finding the change in y, which is the rise, divided by the change in x, which is the run. So that's just the algebraic way to find rise over run. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then I'm going to, as we did in the last part of Daily 9 notes, we are going to find the slope, m, use that, and then either xy point, plug those 3 values in and solve for b. And then we are going to then write our equation in slope-intercept form. I think it's going to be a great process. You're going to enjoy it. I'm going to get a blue colored marker here and blow it up. So my first 3 examples I'm just going to label my points here, x1, y1, x2, y2. So step A, first part, I am going to determine the slope by taking y2 minus y1. So that's going to be negative 4 minus 6 over x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1. Let's simplify. We've got negative 10 over 2. So that is negative 5. So m, the slope of this line, is negative 5. Step 1, done. Step 2, I'm going to find the y-intercept by using the slope m, and then either point, 1, 6, or 3, negative 4, to find b, the y-intercept. For this example, I'm going to use both just to show you it doesn't matter which one you pick. So I'll start with 1, 6 for the x and y. So in y equals mx plus b, y is 6, m is negative 5, x is 1 plus b. So we have 6 equals negative 5 plus b. Add 5 to both sides. 5 plus 6, 11 is the y-intercept. So my final equation then is y equals m, negative 5x, plus b, 11. So let's just say for giggles that you have a phobia with the ordered pair 1, 6. You see it and you're like, whoa, I can't do any math if I see 1, 6. All right, well then pick 3, negative 4. So if you pick 3, negative 4, my m value is still negative 5, and I'm using the points 3, negative 4 as my xy. So in y equals mx plus b, y is negative 4, m is negative 5, times x is 3, plus b. So I've got negative 4 equals negative 15 plus b. When I add 15 to both sides, it's like magic, friends. 15 minus 4, oh, it's unbelievable, is 11. So look at that, 11 is the y-intercept. The slope is negative 5. So again, that's the part here where we want to use m, the slope, and either point. You can use any point of the 2, and you will get the same b y-intercept value. So it does not matter which one of the 2 ordered pairs you use. All right, let's take a look here at the second here. So we got x1, y1, x2, y2. So step one, I'm going to find the slope, m, y2 minus y1, 7 minus 3, over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2. So we got 7 minus 3, 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got m, the slope is 2. I am then going to pick either one of the ordered pairs, 2, 3, or 4, 7, to find b. I'll use 2, 3, and in the interest of your time, I'm only going to do this one ordered pair. So I'm going to plug these into y equals mx plus b. My y value is 3, m is 2, x is 2, plus b. So I've got 3 equals 4 plus b. And then the last step to get b alone is subtract 4. So negative 1 is the y-intercept. Final equation then, plugging in m is 2, b is negative 1. We have y equals 2x plus negative 1, or just 2x minus 1. Hopefully you're kind of getting the trifecta process down here. Slope, y-intercept, equation. Last one for your health. It's a great day to be healthy. All right, slope. If it helps you, x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to go 0 minus 3 over, careful, x2 minus x1 is 2 minus negative 4. So that's going to turn into 2 plus 4. You knew that. So 0 minus 3 is negative 3, 2 plus 4, 6. So m, the slope, is going to reduce to negative 1/2. Just for fun, I'll use the point, I don't like negative, so I'm going to go with 2, 0. That's my xy. So in y equals mx plus b, I'm going to have 0 equals negative 1/2 times x is 2 plus b. Negative 1/2 times 2 is a negative 1. So 0 will equal negative 1 plus b. Add 1. 1 is the y-intercept. Final equation then, plugging in m for the slope, b for the y-intercept. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. Feliz cumpleaños. Happy day. Birthday. Let's finish up with the graph examples. All right, let's finish up daily 10, looking at 3 graphs, and we are going to write the equation of the line in each graph. I have got in my first graph here my y-intercept of this line, that is 1, 2 below the origin. So b, the y-intercept, is negative 2. I am then going to find the slope of the line by taking any 2 points on the line and just counting my rise. So I'm going to go up 1, up 2, up 3. So I've got a rise of 3, and then a run of 1 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 1 to the right. So m, my slope, is 3 over 1, which is 3. So my final equation in y equals mx plus b form is y equals 3x plus negative 2, or just 3x minus 2. My second line has a negative slope. It is falling from left to right. The y-intercept here is up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4. So b is positive 4, since it is 4 above the origin. The slope now, I am going to, let's just go these 2 points. So I'm going to drop 1, so I'll go down 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So m, the slope, is dropping 1, going 4 to the right. What if I started with this point, the far right side, and then went up to the y-intercept? There I'd go up 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So it would be 1, up 1, 4 to the left, 1 over negative 4, which is the same as negative 1/4. So it's like eating a Reese's. It doesn't matter which way you go. You're going to get the same slope result. So my slope, negative 1/4, y equals negative 1/4 x, plus b, my y-intercept, is 4. Last one. Here we have a y-intercept that is down 1, down 2, down 3. So b is negative 3. And then my rise over run, I am going to go up 1, and then 1, 2 to the right. Or I can go down 1, 2 to the left. So up 1, 2 to the right, or down 1, 2 to the left. See here, 1/2 is the same as negative 1 over negative 2. So slope is 1/2. My equation then, y equals m 1/2 x plus b is negative 3. Good review there on going backwards from graph to equation. You are set to go.